to Simba. We are a manufacturer of gastropod vending machine. Now let me show you the features of this vending machine. This part is transparent part. We can put in gastropod. This part is corner center. This is toy outlet, and this is the corn box. This is the high quality oily support. So how should we play this machine? We only need to put in 1 or 2 corns into the corner sector. Then turn this part 180 degrees. And we can take out the gastropod from this outlet. So how to use this gastropod vending machine? Cover and fill in your favorite gastropod, such as candy, chewing gum, bouncy balls, and capsule toys, and so on. Then you can use the other keys to open the corn box. The capacity of the corn box is about 400 to 500 pieces of corns. It is easy to operate. More information, please pay attention to our website as below. Thank you for watching.